morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So before starting today's vlog, let me wish you all a happy Republic Day. So as it's a special day today, me and my friends are going to have a ride and we are riding for a cause. So I'm basically riding with a group of friends and they are a club basically, the Bajaj Avenger Club Mumbai. I've already ridden with them before as well. So we are doing this ride for a cause today and the cause is blood donation. So why such a ride, from where to where, what is this ride all about? I'll give you all the details once I'm on my bike. So without wasting much of time, let's gear up, let's sit on the bike and let's start moving. So I'll see you once I'm on my bike. So right now I'm at LBS Road and I'm going to the meetup point that's at the Powai Lake. Reporting time says around 7:30 and I'll be definitely on time this time because I left quite early today. It's approx 15 to 20 minutes of ride and from there we'll be going to Thane. Today is really a great day because on 26th of January 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect. Celebrating this beautiful day, we as a group have decided to do something great for our society. So along with the Joy of Giving Foundation in association with TSSIA, we have organized this blood donation ride. Right now at Powai Lake and many more riders are yet to come. So this was the first meeting point and the second meeting point will directly be at the blood donation area. So many of our riders are also going to donate blood today. This is really something good, okay? It's like giving back to the society something. हमको बहुत कुछ मिला है but हमें देना भी पड़ता है, okay? So we are doing this campaign and also creating an awareness among the people to donate blood. It's really good and भाई body में बहुत खून है यार, थोड़ा दे दो भी कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. Okay, right now we'll be having a short ride till Thane and so the ride is from Powai to Thane basically. Not long, a little short but not that long, but still having the spirit, coming together, riding for a cause is something that I really appreciate. So less of talking and more of riding. Let's go. So today we all will be donating blood and we'll be spreading smiles. If you guys are thinking to go and donate blood anytime in future, there are certain things that you need to keep in mind. You should be fit and healthy. You should weigh above 50 kg and anyone above 17 can definitely go and donate blood. Men can donate blood in every 12 weeks and women can donate blood
in every 16 weeks. Very important thing to keep in mind is please do not smoke 7 to 8 hours before you go and donate blood, and if you drink, there should be a gap of 48 hours before you go and donate blood. I may have saved few lives. I may have helped the needy ones who really need blood. At the end, I would just say there's a little pain. Obviously, when they inject that pin in you, there's a pain. But when you think of someone will be benefited because of this, there's a small smile which comes on your face. Friends, this thing is amazing. I mean, like, the joy of giving something back to the society is really great. I really loved it, and it's amazing. So I'll do one thing, guys. I'll just head back home, and I'll get back to you once I reach home.
Ooh, at last this ride ends with a smile and a fresh look on me. So do let me know, guys, how did you like this video, and if you guys like the concept of joy of giving, do give it a thumbs up. And if you're connecting with me for the very first time through this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So take care, guys. Thank you so much for staying tuned to my channel till the end. Always remember to ride with your helmets on and buckle up when you try. Take care, guys. God bless you. I'll see you soon in the upcoming vlogs.